Hi students, now I am going to do wonderful trick, that is how to find sigma and pi bonds. Before that, I would like to say one important motivation point, that is the quality of your life determines the quality of your thinking. Thinking means the way you thought. Generally, people is divided into three categories: weak people, average people, strong people. Weak people always discuss about others. They don't have any other work. They never think about themselves. They always discuss about others only. But average people, they always discuss about movies, serials, politics, etc. etc. But strong people always discuss about ideas, plans, projects, like that. So now you can decide which category you belongs. Clear? So now I am going to give the trick. Before that, so generally in examination you will get questions like this: benzene contain how many sigma and pi bonds, naphthalene contain how many pi electrons, neopentane contain how many sigma bonds. You will get questions like this. But some of the students, they can able to solve this type of questions, but it will take 2 to 3 minutes. Some of the students, they cannot able to solve MCQ. So now I am going to give the trick. So after completion of the trick, you people can able to solve within 5 seconds. I am sure within 5 seconds you can able. Sigma bonds कैसा find out करना वो trick देते हैं आपको. How to find sigma bonds. So this is the trick. This box is the trick. You will get confusion. सर ये box क्या है सर, box दिया trick कैसा बोल रहे हैं, ऐसा doubt आते हैं आपको. So numbers सबको मालूम है ना students? मालूम है ना? Good. -1 होने के बाद क्या आते हैं? 0. नेक्स्ट +1. नेक्स्ट +2. नेक्स्ट +3. This is the trick. Just look at the board student. This is -1. This is 0. This is +1. This is +2. This is +3. Fingertips. This is called fingertips. -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. Clear na? So -1 is nothing but open chain compound. If the compound is open chain, you need to use this one. How to use this one I am going to discuss. Don't worry, don't fear, I am here. Okay, so -1, this is for open chain compounds. 0, this is for monocyclic compound. +1, this is for bicyclic. +2, this is for tricyclic. +3, this is for tetracyclic. Clear na? Okay students, so what is the formula? Dear students, now I am going to give the formula. This is my personal formula. Okay na? It never available in internet also. Clear? So that's the reason, be careful and be confidential. Sigma equal to total number of atoms. Sigma equal to total number of atoms. This is the standard formula. So whatever the compound, is it a open chain or monocyclic or bicyclic or tricyclic or tetracyclic, whatever the compound, you need to use this formula. This is the basic formula. But based on compound, the formula little bit changes. Suppose examination में open chain compound पूछा तो, dear students, do you know open chain compound? Do you know or do you want? What do you want to tell me? Do you want? Okay, I will give. Open chain is nothing but without ring. Ring नहीं आते, closed ring नहीं आते, benzene, cyclopropane, cyclohexane ऐसा नहीं आते. Open chain without ring. Clear ना? That is called open chain. Ethane हो सकते हैं, all alkanes. Simple example, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, ये पूरा open chain है. Clear ना? So suppose examination में question आया, open chain compound sigma bonds कैसा find out करना. Suppose examination में CH4 contain how many sigma bonds? So you need to apply formula. What is formula? Sigma equal to total number of atoms. What is the formula? Sigma equal to total number of atoms. CH4 is nothing but open chain. Then open chain value -1. You need to add -1 here. This is the procedure. Clear? This is the procedure. Dekho students. So total number of atoms is nothing but total how many carbons and how many hydrogens here. 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens. So 1 carbon 4 hydrogen means total 5 atoms. 5 minus 1, then 4. So what is the answer, student? 4. But practically is it correct or wrong? Correct. How it is correct? CH4 general structure like this. So dear students, in our chemistry, single bond is nothing but sigma bond, double bond and triple bond is nothing but pi bond. That is the basic point. Clear? Right. So आपको कितना single bonds दिख रहे हैं? 4 bonds. మీకు ఎన్ని సింగిల్ బాండ్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి? 4 కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. అంటే 4 सिग्मा बॉन्ड. इसका मतलब क्या है? 4 सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स. हमको आंसर कितना आया? 4 आया. Is it clear ना? But this is a simple example. Simple example everybody can able to give answer in simple way. But suppose if you get butane or neopentane or neohexane whatever, you can't find out like this. You need to apply this trick only. Clear? So for better understanding purpose, I am going to give one more example. The next example is ethane. So dear students, ethane, it is also open chain compound. Open chain compound का formula total number of atoms -1. So sigma equal to total number of atoms -1. So sigma equal to total number of atoms. How many carbons here? 2 carbons. How many hydrogens? 6. Total 8. 8 minus 1, 7. So answer is 7. So one more example, student. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Do one thing, student. You need to write molecular formula for this one. Molecular formula is nothing but total number of carbons and total number of hydrogens. If the compound contain oxygen or nitrogen, you need to add that one also. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. Matlab C4. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Total 10 hydrogens. This is called molecular formula. This is also easy pattern. First you need to write molecular formula. Then it becomes very simple. So what is the formula, students? Total number of atoms. Total number of atoms 4 plus 10. 14. Open chain is nothing but you need to add -1. Then answer is 13. So butane contain how many sigma bonds, student? 13. Students, अभी 3 examples discuss किया. Methane, ethane, propane. So these compounds contains only sigma bonds. Only sigma bonds. इसमें pi bond बिल्कुल नहीं. क्यों बोले तो डबल बॉन्ड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड इधर नहीं आया. नहीं आया बोले तो pi bonds कितना पूछा तो 0 लिखना पड़ेगा. यहाँ तक क्लियर ना? क्लियर? ओके. Next example. Clear na? So now I am going to give monocyclic compound example. The best example and beautiful example is what is this? It is not benzene. It is a cyclohexane. Don't get confusion. What is this? It is a cyclohexane. Okay na? Benzene बोले तो alternative double bonds आते. Benzene contains alternative double bonds. Total benzene contains 3 double bonds. क्लियर ना? डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूजन. छोटा बच्चे जैसे कन्फ्यूज नहीं होना. चलो 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 आगे जाएंगे. इट इज ए साइक्लोहेक्सेन. सो साइक्लोहेक्सेन, फर्स्ट यू नीड टू अप्लाई लॉजिक. व्हाट इज द लॉजिक? यू नीड टू फाइंड मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला. व्हाट इज द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला? बॉयज जस्ट राइज योर वॉइस. वेरी गुड. 6 कार्बन्स. गर्ल्स टेल मी हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन्स हियर? Here 2 hydrogens, here 2, here 2, here 2, 2, 2. Total कितना? 12 hydrogens. Then 6 plus 12, 18. Very good. Total number of atoms, sigma equal to total number of atoms. So here total number of atoms 18. And one more important point, monocyclic compounds का value कितना? 0. So 18 minus 0 बोले तो 18 होते. So इसलिए तुम 0 नहीं लिखा तो भी चलता. 0 को इधर वैल्यू कुछ भी नहीं. क्लियर ना? सो टोटल साइक्लोहेक्सेन कंटेन हाउ मेनी सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स? 18. सपोज आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए तुम्हारा दोस्त ऐसा पूछा, साइक्लोहेक्सेन कंटेन हाउ मेनी पाई बॉन्ड्स? देन व्हाट इज योर आंसर? यस, 0 इज द राइट आंसर. क्यों बोले तो इधर डबल बॉन्ड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड कुछ भी नहीं. इफ द compound does not contain any multiple bond, that indication that does not contain any pi bond. So ultimately what I want to say is double bond or triple bond, that indication pi bonds. Single bond ka matlab sigma bond. This is the basic point, each and everyone just keep in your mind. Next example, wonderful example, the beautiful example, the most important example, benzene. Next example, benzene. This is called benzene. Yeah, what is the molecular formula? Everybody knows C6H6. So sigma equal to total number of atoms 6 plus 6, 12. 12 minus 0 bole to 12 only. So answer is 12 sigma bonds. So benzene contain how many sigma bonds? 12 sigma bonds. How many pi bonds? I will give one more trick. कितना डबल बॉन्ड्स देख रहे हैं आपको? 3 डबल बॉन्ड्स. 1 डबल बॉन्ड इक्वल टू 1 पाई बॉन्ड फिक्स्ड पॉइंट. 1 ट्रिपल बॉन्ड इक्वल टू 2 पाई बॉन्ड्स. दिस इज आल्सो फिक्स्ड पॉइंट. सो हाउ मेनी डबल बॉन्ड्स? 3 डबल बॉन्ड्स. 3 डबल बॉन्ड्स का मतलब है 3 पाई बॉन्ड्स. सो आंसर इज 3 पाई बॉन्ड्स. क्लियर ना स्टूडेंट? इज इट क्लियर? गुड, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट वन मोर एग्जांपल. One more example. What about this one? What about this one? This is called toluene. कुछ लोग बोलते टोलिन, बोला कुछ भी नहीं, प्रॉब्लम. So methyl benzene. Methyl benzene contain how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds? Who is going to give correct answer? Boys or girls? Fast. Who is going to give correct answer? Toluene, it is nothing but methyl benzene. First what to do? You need to find molecular formula. What is the molecular formula? Tell me fast. Molecular formula. How many carbons total? 1. You need to calculate this one also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 carbons. Total how many hydrogens? 3. There is no hydrogen. Why? Because already 4 bonds are there. 2, 3, 4. So 3, 0. बोले तो 3. Either 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the formula? C7H8. 7 plus 8, 15. So answer is sigma equal to 15. Sigma equal to 15 for toluene. Then pi bonds. pi bonds बोलने के लिए ज़्यादा सोचने के लिए ज़रूरत नहीं, सोचा तो भी फ़ायदा नहीं. मैं क्या बोला? जितना डबल बॉन्ड्स आया तो उतना आंसर होते. So how many double bonds here? 3 double bonds. That indication 3 pi bonds. Very simple. Pi bonds equal to 3. Clear na students? You need to find it like this way. For bicyclic compounds also you need to apply same logic. Tricyclic compounds also you need to apply same logic. Clear na students? Definitely I am going to give some more examples also. But next video I can upload. Clear na? Okay students, bye for now, see you again.